everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to a new video on Manhole channel. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. So it's a rainy day. It was a heavy rain with thunderstorm, but duration of the rain wasn't very long. Uh, but this rain accumulated the uh, rainy water at this road, as we know that this is the most depression area of the surroundings. Water from all surroundings run off at this point and accumulate at this road. Therefore, a storm line has been constructed at this point. This is not a sewer line, it's a storm line which only constructed to remove this flooded water or rainy water. You can see that there is a huge pole at this point, and this rainy water is going into the sewer line with a significant speed. The manhole covers from the top of the manhole has been removed, and now the rainy water is going into the sewer line, and it's creating a great scenes with the shape of whirlpool. The rainy water from the road is decreasing with a significant speed, and the road is getting clear. You can see that now the traffic is moving easily. You can see that very less quantity of rainy water or storm water is accumulated at this time, and there is some sort of rubbish floating in the manhole. Jetting machine is also present at site, so if there is any blockage or we need to unclog this drain or sewer line, orders to unclog the sewer line. Now the level of this manhole is gradually decreasing, and the water, storm water, is now falling inside into the.
ਚੱਲ ਜੱਗਾ ਤੇਰੀ ਰੈਕਸਡੀ ਚ ਵੀ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ।
You can see that it's falling inside.
ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਦੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਲਾਈ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, ਖੁੱਲਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਵਾ, ਇਸ ਲਈ ਇੰਨਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਆ। ਉਹੀ ਨਾ, ਇਹ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਦਾ ਖੁੱਲਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ।
There are also grating. There is a whirlpool on the gratings, which only used in less quantity of rainy water. But if there is a huge water, we have to remove the manhole covers. You can see that the storm water is from all around has gone into the sewer line. There is no more rainy water or storm water at the road. All the water has gone and the road is clear now. You can see that there is lost pockets which are falling inside the manhole. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.